Vital Group enables its clients to access low-carbon, renewable heat and electricity to better manage their energy use.
Our market is fiercely competitive. Our client base primarily is healthcare today, further education, all of which are focused on reducing carbon, particularly in both hospitals and universities.
It delivers an end-to-end service through its 3 trading companies. Vital Solutions uses data to provide a business case of guaranteed financial and carbon savings. It works with its sister company, Vital Efficiency, on solutions for reducing energy demand, including, for example, sophisticated monitoring, LED lighting, and optimized control systems. Vital Energy's role is to design, build, supply, operate and maintain new methods of energy generation, such as CHP, combined heat and power systems, biomass or waste heat boilers.
The end users have got far more sophisticated, have a far better idea of what energy costs, so we have to be very innovative on the solutions we pull together to make sure best commercial advantage is generated for the end user.
It could be that they're purely looking to reduce their operating costs, to improve their financial performance. It could be associated with the resilience of their existing facilities and reliability, or it could be that they've got certain metrics to improve their carbon footprint, which alleviates tax benefits. You need complete transparency in terms of what their objectives are, what their needs are. So collaboration is absolutely essential for the long-term performance of the arrangement between the 2 organisations.
In 2012, Vital Solutions was formed, bringing longer-term revenue opportunities to the group.
Vital Energy has been in the marketplace since the early 1980s. It started off its life doing district heating mains in some of the biggest district heating networks in the UK. Customers were saying, well, why can't you use your engineering resources to put combined heat and power solutions together, to put boiler houses, energy centres together? I saw an opportunity in the marketplace for Vital to add another piece to its group. The solutions business with a view to 10, 15, 20, 25-year performance contracts rather than a design and build that may only have a 15-month revenue window. We've secured in excess of 7 contracts and generated forward revenues into the hundreds of millions.
Vital is one of the market's leading ESCo, or energy services contract providers, whereby it becomes full or part owner of the asset it's installing.
It's zero risk for the customer. So if we say we're going to burn X amount of gas or Y amount of biomass and give you this output from it, if we don't achieve that, we'll reimburse them.
This arrangement can potentially offer greater security for public sector bodies facing scrutiny. Vital's client, York Teaching Hospital, now has a modernised system that generates its own electricity and heat.
We had 3 very clear goals in mind. The first of those goals was to significantly reduce our energy costs at York Hospital. The second goal was to reduce our carbon emissions at York Hospital, and the third goal was to invest in the equipment that we got so that we could bring it up to date and make it more reliable for the patients that we look after. And we needed to do that within a predictable capital framework. Vital Energy have put forward a project for us that is significant. They have guaranteed and underwritten annual savings to the Trust of about £850,000 a year. They have reduced our carbon footprint by about 3,000 tonnes. We were looking for value for money. We were looking for enthusiasm. We were looking for commitment, but we were looking for an organisation that we had confidence in. They had this wonderful, we can do this attitude. The fact that we have managed to achieve that has made it much, much easier for us to roll out the exact same strategy to our other critical hospitals.
The major challenges for this project, the size of the equipment that we're installing in an already existing boiler house. So it involved a lot of outside the box thinking. We had to dismantle walls, we had to take roofs off, to get existing equipment out, because once it had been built in, it was built in, and we had to unengineer that to allow us to engineer the final solution. You can't have a successful relationship without having good communication, and I think that's how we pride ourselves, and personally how I pride myself in building a rapport and relationship with the client, making sure that they're happy, making sure that they're kept up to speed with everything that's going on in the project.
Having delivered 2 projects in just over 2 years, Vital Solutions has been named as the preferred bidder on 6 further schemes and is eyeing expansion into other markets.
The future in going forward is that now we've established ourselves as a pedigree supplier in energy performance contracts in the public sector, is to expand that service delivery into the industrial and commercial sector.
We're a fairly autonomous unit that can go out there, put projects together the marketplace wants to buy, and just having that autonomy and the team working within the solutions team and the wider Vital business just keeps us excited every day.